has a pretty extreme climate. And so with the heat and the cold, the difference in that, you need something that's going to be stable in those different conditions. And fiberglass is probably the best option for Minnesota windows, because since it's made of glass, it doesn't expand and contract at a different rate than the glass that it's attached to. And so that fiberglass is a really good choice for Minnesota. So with vinyl windows, vinyl does just the opposite. It does expand and contract quite a bit. And so when that happens, that vinyl loosens the bond between the material and the glass that it's attached to, and you get seal failure. Seal failure lets in moisture, it drops the efficiency of the window. So wood windows in Minnesota, we have a moist climate. They're susceptible to rot, and you have to paint them and keep the upkeep on those. And if you don't keep the upkeep and the paint on there, then you get some of those rot issues, and the glazing will fall apart.